Hey guys, I literally just woke up, so I got bed hair right now, so we don't even talk about my hair, okay? We're gonna be doing a quick little maintenance just to like last me the rest of the month. I was feeling these nails, like these nails have been on for 2 weeks, but I don't know about these being on for 3 more weeks. Like, I'm so clumsy, and this only messed up because I put it in the light wrong when I was rushing through my set. But yeah, this set, it's been so cute, y'all. Like, and would you believe this set has been through like 3 or 4, maybe even 5 refills, and I'm about to do a motherfucking another one. Sure am. The only thing that sucks is I'm not gonna be able to do a lot for my hair, and I'm honestly, I was thinking about throwing on a wig, but I feel like I'm gonna get into a fight and I want to be prepared. So I'm doing my nails shorter, and I need to fill out my lashes. Like, they look so crazy, y'all. And I wanted to do a wig, but like I said, I'm getting ready. Like, I want to be prepared for a fight because bitches think they're funny. That's all I gotta say. But I have like 2 hours until my client gets here, and then I have one more after her. So I really want to like finish my nails, and then if I have time I'll start my lashes, or I'll just do them after my last appointment. But yeah. Why are you crying? I was coming back. You always do this. What the matter? And you always do this. And you always do this. Why didn't you do that? So yeah, I think I'm gonna look for an outfit choice later. I have like this outfit, but it's see-through. I don't know how I don't know, it's see-through, but I was thinking about wearing some jeans or shorts and a cute top, or some leggings and shorts with a skirt. Like, I don't even really know yet, but but before I start doing my nails and stuff like that, I'm dog sitting my friend's dog, so I have to go to her place and let her dogs out to use the bathroom and feed them. And then when I come back, I'm probably just gonna get, hi Jaspi. And then when I get back, I'm just gonna get straight, what? You want me to pick you back? I'm gonna get straight into doing my nails, and I'm kind of excited. Oh my god, y'all, this is another reason why my hair is like messed up. But I'm kind of excited to do my nails short because I never do my nails short. I'm not a short girl. But for my birthday, I want a completely new set, and I want to do long duck nails. Having them shorter is just going to be easier for me too when it comes to that time. But yeah. Guys, also, don't knock on my face. I've been picking out my face. Like, I pick out my face when I see one little bump, and then it just starts making me investigate everything. But my hair is so fucking dry, y'all. Like, this shit ain't even cute. But I'm scared to wash my hair and get hair products on my back tattoo. But I decided I'm about to do my lashes because I honestly don't think I'm gonna have enough time for nails, like my nails. If anything, I would have had time to maybe do application. It's 11:15 and my client's coming at 12:30, so I feel like that gives me enough time to fill in my lashes, especially the ones in the front. Like, they don't need to be perfect, but they need to look better than this.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe?
Okay guys, so I finished nails. It was a pretty simple set. I started at 12:30 and finished around like 12:15. But I'm about to do my nails now. This is how the lashes look. Okay, cute. I'm gonna turn on my wax machine too, But yeah, I'm about to do my nails. It should be easier since I'm doing them shorter, but y'all cannot get me wrong. These nails were so cute, but like I said, just in case bitches want to try me that was talking shit about my family, just in case I see somebody, I need my nails short, y'all. Don't have any inspo. I do know that I want to do white French tips. I want to do something like so basic. I think I'm gonna do white French tip and then put like one charm on. Actually, I think I'm gonna just put one charm on the middle finger. Yeah. So right now I'm getting my iPad. I'm about to go put on Bad Girls Club. I really need to eat something actually, especially because I'm gonna be drinking tonight and I haven't ate anything today. I'm not gonna cap though, I have been craving some Chipotle, but I'm gonna wait, if anything, until I'm done with my nails, because I don't want to go and grab Chipotle and then I run out of time and I don't even have time to do my nails. And my nails should not even take long. What's gonna take long is taking these charms off. I need to see short. I want these. I want them like pretty short. I'm not even talking about like no medium nails, which is the length I had when I took my cosmetology thing, just also to look professional. But no, I want these hoes like short. Like I'm trying to get a little, because right now I feel like, I mean, I could probably fight like this, but no, I want to be able to. Okay, I feel like, yes, I feel like this is a good length, because once I fix it up, it's gonna be like right there, which is still kind of long, but I feel like I have long finger beds. Is that what the finger beds? Nail bed? Yeah, I have long nail beds, so this is short. That's why, like, when my clients be picking short or medium, I try not to trip too much about prices.
On this flexin' nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a pimp, the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like,
Okay guys, so this is how the nails are looking, and I'm not gonna cap, I'm kind of mad because I don't know why I'm actually feeling them. Like, I don't think I've ever did my nails this short, but they're not even that bad. Like, they're kind of cute, and just so they're not too plain, I had to put Hello Kitty on there, y'all. And then this is the other hand, you know, the same stuff. My toes are still white. They literally don't even like look bad, y'all. This is the toes. See, they barely even grew out. So, but the next thing I'm gonna do is my brows, and then I'm probably gonna start doing my hair and getting dressed and getting cute. But oh my god, they kind of do look so cute and classy. Like, okay guys, so I got my outfit on. I'm about to put my smell good stuff on and then put it on again before I leave, because I love smelling extra good when I'm going to clubs, because I love compliments on how I smell good. Okay guys, actually I wanted to cut in because my wax is too hot, so I can't wax my brows or I could rip some skin off. So I'm just gonna start doing my hair, and then after my hair, then I'm gonna wax my brows, and then the last thing to do is my makeup. Okay guys, so I totally forgot to check in. Also, oh my god, don't mind my hair, y'all. Don't mind my hair. But I forgot to check in. Also, I remembered my phone died and I didn't take pictures. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching this video and make sure you guys check out my other videos and bye.